Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best inflatable car bed that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number 1 product name is Umbrauto SUV Camping Air Mattress. Umbrauto Sport Utility Vehicle Camping Air Mattress is made for travelers who need a comfortable place to rest during road trips, outdoor stays, or overnight adventures. This inflatable sleeping bed fits inside the back trunk of most compact to full-size sport utility vehicles. It provides a raised head section to improve support while resting and adapts to various vehicle interiors that measure between 5.4 and 6.07 feet from seat to trunk door. This mattress uses a soft block surface for gentle contact and a strong base layer made from thick 210 thread fabric to resist puncture and maintain air pressure. The overall body uses durable materials designed to stay firm while holding weight during rest. The mattress supports more than 570 pounds, making it usable by up to 2 adults at once. Setup is simple with the included electric pump that connects through the vehicle, allowing fast inflation or deflation within minutes. After use, the mattress folds into a smaller form and can be packed in the storage bag provided. It also comes with repair patches and pillows, helping complete a ready-to-use rest kit for long journeys or quick stops. This model is ideal for campers, van lifers, or travelers who prefer sleeping in their vehicle. Whether used at campgrounds, beaches, or roadside stops, this mattress brings a helpful sleep option that blends comfort with space-saving design. Its foldable structure makes it easy to pack and carry for repeat use on various trips. In our list, the number 2 product name is DikaSun Inflatable Car Air Mattress. DikaSun Car Air Mattress is made for travelers who need a reliable and soft sleeping surface during long road journeys. This inflatable mattress is designed to fit in the back seat of many vehicles, including saloon cars, sport utility vehicles, multi-purpose vehicles, and trucks. Its structure offers enough space for children or adults to rest safely while the car remains parked. The product brings comfort by using flock surface materials that feel gentle against the skin and resist water and sweat during use. This airbed supports a high weight capacity, handling more than 600 pounds, making it suitable for 2 or 3 people at the same time. Families on road trips can rest while parked, or children and pets can relax during breaks in travel. It can also serve as a temporary sleep solution at home when guests visit or when enjoying fresh air on the balcony. The included pump runs through a 12-volt direct current connection, which means it works with most vehicle sockets. It allows quick inflation and simple deflation when the bed is no longer in use. The mattress also uses a secure air nozzle that helps keep air in and avoids leaking during rest. Packed with pillows, a storage bag, and functional side pieces, this product is ready for multiple situations. Whether going on vacation, camping outdoors, or needing a break on the road, this mattress turns the car interior into a temporary resting spot. It offers both comfort and practical use during any travel. In our list, the number 3 product name is ISWEES Car Bed SUV Air Mattress. ISWEES Car Bed Sport Utility Vehicle Air Mattress is a portable resting option for drivers or passengers on long trips. It fits inside many vehicle types including cars, sport utility vehicles, and multi-purpose vans. The mattress comes with a honeycomb surface layout that follows body shape, helping users stay more relaxed while resting. The height is low enough for easy setup, and the material combines soft block layers with polyvinyl chloride for a sturdy base. This sleeping surface can support up to 660 pounds and works well for children or solo adult use. It includes added support pieces that act as footrests and keep the mattress level while also creating open areas for keeping items like phones or bottles close by. With protective sides near the edges and a raised top, the mattress helps prevent rolling or slipping into the front seat section. Inflation can be completed in a few minutes using the included electric pump that runs from the car power outlet. The air nozzle locks air inside with its dual-layer setup, and the bed can be deflated easily when ready to store. Once empty, it rolls into a small shape that fits inside the provided storage bag. This mattress is a helpful travel partner for those going on outdoor trips, vacations, or camping getaways. It is usable inside the vehicle or in tent spaces and offers a clean, quiet sleep surface that keeps users separated from cold or uneven ground. The black color blends well with most car interiors. In our list, the number 4 product name is KMZ SUV Thickened Air Mattress. KMZ Sport Utility Vehicle Air Mattress is designed for drivers and travelers who want to stay comfortable during outdoor adventures. Its layout supports resting in trunks and back seat areas of many types of vehicles. The surface has a soft double-sided build with a mix of beige and coffee tones that blends well inside cabins. The thickness helps reduce pressure while resting after long drives or camping days. The structure contains 4 internal air sections. This allows for different fill levels depending on how many people will use it or how much room is available. It can work for solo or shared resting based on inflation choice. The strong material supports up to 661 pounds, making it practical for adult use across short or extended travel time. The included electric air pump connects to the vehicle power outlet and quickly fills the mattress in under 3 minutes. Air can also be released fast through wide vents when preparing to pack. Once emptied, it folds into a small shape that stores inside the carry bag for easy transport. The mattress holds well across cold or warm outdoor conditions, which makes it suitable for various travel seasons. It can also serve as a spare sleeping setup inside the home or during guest stays. From campgrounds to roadside breaks, this inflatable bed adds comfort to travel routines and supports peaceful rest after active days. The soft surface and stable base create a calming space for sleeping in or outside the vehicle. In our list, the number 5 product name is Ciremiv Leakproof Comfortable Car Bed. Ciremiv Car Air Mattress is made for travelers who enjoy road journeys, car camping, and sleeping in vehicles. This sleeping solution fits directly in the trunk space and is shaped for sport utility vehicles, minivans, and similar models. It comes in a soft off-white and gray tone that creates a calm setting while resting inside your car. The surface offers a smooth and quiet texture that feels pleasant while lying down. The inner support keeps the body balanced during rest and helps manage long hours on the road. This bed comes with essential sleeping accessories including earplugs, pillows, an eye cover, and a carry pouch for better comfort. These additions help set up a resting zone inside your vehicle without any extra tools. The air valve is placed within the mattress surface so it does not affect the softness. The pump works with vehicle power sources and fills the mattress quickly, which is useful during busy travel stops. After use, it deflates in minutes and fits into the travel bag that is included in the package. This trunk-only mattress setup is stable during overnight stays or short breaks. Whether on a summer drive or a winter escape, this design helps keep users off uneven ground while offering warmth and support. The full-size layout makes it ideal for single or shared use, helping people relax during their time away from home. This car bed is built to meet the needs of those who enjoy mobility, comfort, and efficient sleeping setups. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.